Ay, if you're new here, welcome.
And we are
The Drug Queens.
Hindi ko kaya. Kamusta guys? Welcome back to our channel. And if you're new here, welcome. I'm Kat.
And I'm Pat.
And we are the Drug Queens. Together, we make videos about drugstore, local, and affordable beauty products.
And for today's makeup tutorial Halloween special, we are going to serve you some vampire looks the affordable way.
Yes, so if you want to know how to get these looks, then please keep on watching. Saan tayo mag-start? Sa eyes.
I'm going to use my BYS matte eyeshadow palette.
And I'm going to use ito from Makeup K New York and also BYS, the Smoky On The Go palette.
Okay. Ano yan? Parang wala akong nilagay.
I'm going for dark red, you know, all the darkness in the vampire world. Ilalagay natin sa mata natin.
Go for a subtle lang na like I'm gonna kill you then with liner. Ayan, ganyan. What I really like about the palette is that when all of the colors that you need is already there.
That's what's special about Halloween kasi you can play with the colors and na okay lang maging ugly, ganun. Kasi it's Halloween, you know. So kahit di ka na actually mag-makeup.
Kailangan natin kumota tonight. Diba? Chun-Li, is that you?
Chun-Li?
Chun-Li?
Dark Chun-Li.
Dark Chun-Li.
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down.
Hinga be. Okay, I'm ready to put lashes, babe. Ikaw?
Yes.
And we're going to use in 3, 2, 1. That's Sunday Rose! Okay, so we'll be right back. We'll just put some lashes.
To complete the look, we're gonna go now to our base.
I'm going to mix Maybelline Dream Velvet Soft Matte Hydrating Foundation and also the Detail Makeover Illuminating Primer Oil.
Yes. Kasi diba dun sa movie ng Twilight, pag natatamaan sila ng araw,
The Dazzling.
so I'm gonna use the Master Strobing Stick ni Maybelline beneath this foundation from Revlon Color Stay.
So, we're just going to do our foundation. So, fast forward na natin siya para hindi ganun kahaba yung video. Alright? Naka na magbirang puti. We are going to end this with highlights and lipstick, of course. We are going to use, for the lips, we're going to use Fashion 21 Color Matte Liquid Lipstick. And for our highlights is the Sleek Makeup. Alright? So, fast forward lang din namin para, then after that, ang final look.
I used to run with you through the great big leaves, laugh at you when you laugh at me. Hope for us because
How old are you?
17.
How long have you been 17?
A while.
How old are you?
17.
17? How long have you been 17?
Quite a while.
I know what you are.
Say it.
Say it.
You're
a vlogger.
So this is our completed look.
I hope you guys like it because we are loving this look. 2 looks and 1 video.
If you want to see more makeup tutorials like this na sobrang easy lang and of course drugstore lahat ng mga products na ginamit, then please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and comment down below kung ano pang makeup tutorial ang gusto nyong gawin namin.
Don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts. We post there every day. Our Facebook is /drugqueens12 and our Instagram is @drug.queens.
That is all for today and we hope to see you again next week.
Bye!
Nag-internalize na ako.
Sorry. Wait, I'm trying. Okay, good.
I know. Oh! Wala pala.